stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to make an inexpensive countdown calendar for your kids. If your kids are anything like Josh, time is an issue. The passing of time is really hard for him to understand. So what happens is, as we get close to a really great holiday or birthday, he starts getting very upset and he starts saying Christmas. Before Halloween, he started asking for Christmas. And I would tell him it's a long time away, and he would come back a week later, Mom, Christmas. He's getting older now, so he's getting a little better about it, but he still has a problem with the passage of time. This is what I came up with. This is my super inexpensive way to do a Christmas countdown, because look at it, it's really super inexpensive. So this is what I've got: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and then I have every single day. I have the rest of December all written down. And so every day, Josh just comes over and he pulls off the day, like this is yesterday. So we'll pull off the day and we throw it away. So Josh can actually see the passage of time. This is Christmas, and since we started doing this, he doesn't get mad anymore. We do it for birthdays, we do it for Thanksgiving, Halloween's a big one, and we do it for Christmas. Now this time, I went all the way down to the first day of school. Because Josh doesn't want to go back to school. He's not going to be very happy that we had to go back to school. It's going to make him mad. So this is my thought this time. I thought Christmas is here. We're going to keep counting down, and I can show him of something that's coming that he does not want to do. I'm going to show him that school is coming, and we're going to count that down too, and I'll try to make it fun in some way that he's going to go back. So this is my super inexpensive thing. These aren't even Post-it notes. These are knockoff Post-it notes. And I got 4 different colors. It was a cube of 4 different colors at Kroger. I think it was $4 or $5. You don't even have to have the colors. It really doesn't even matter. So if you happen to be in the same boat as us with the passage of time, maybe this would work for you guys. Josh really loves it, and it works for us. But leave a comment below and let me know if you tried it and it actually worked. It would be fun.